Welcome back, everyone. We have completed the Java programming first part, so we'll be continuing with the Java programming second. So the first exercise here is the cubes. So we are going to write a program that reads strings from the user until the user inputs the string n. So until this is matched, we have to keep on printing the cube of the numbers. So cube of 3 is 27, negative 1 multiplied by negative of 1 multiplied by negative of 1 is negative of 1, which is its cube, obviously. The cube of 11 is 1331, and if the user enters n as the input, then our program has to stop. So let's move on to the solution quickly. I've switched on to VS Code because TMC bins is not working in my Linux system. So I will write the solution here, make a zip of this particular solution, and then upload it to the TMC bins in the paste bin. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so we have been already given a void main class in the cubes, a void main function in the cubes class, and let's utilize the scanner. So our condition is while true, that is we have to keep on doing this until our input is, that is our string, let's call it input, equals to scanner. So we have scanner dot next line function here, right? So if our input equals to n, then we have to break out of this loop, right? So simply we're going to use that input dot, let's call the equals function, and equals to n. So what we have to do is we have to break it. There is a resource like this as the warning given by the VS Code. To avoid it, I simply have to do this. So I'm going to call scanner close function, and yep, and that goes away. Right now if it is not n, then we simply have to print the cube of the number. So what we're going to do is input multiplied by input multiplied by input. But there is an issue here because the operator, which is a mathematical operation, cannot be applied on the string variable, right? So first we're going to convert it to an integer, and for that we're going to use integer, the value of function. So let's call it integer, let's call it number is equals to integer dot value of, and our value is input, right? So now we're gonna print the multiplication value of this number. So now let me move on to this one. So I'm here. So okay, I can simply call this function Java cubes of Java, right? And let's 3 27, negative 1 is negative 1, 11 is 1331, and if I hit enter, then yeah, it's done. So now I'm gonna compile this and upload it into TMC bins. So this is the folder structure where my solution resides. So I'm going to compress it with zip, right? And yeah, so hit up the TMC MOOC.py exercises as well. And yeah, I'm going to browse and upload the solution, open it, and then submit it. So it's processing, and let's wait till it gets done. Yeah, so all tasks successful, and you'll get the mark, got 1 out of our point, and that's how we do it. Keep sharing because knowledge doubles when it is shared, and I'll see you in the solution of the next exercise.